Hello students, before your half yearly test, we had read about verb, which means an action word. Whatever you do in your daily life, they are the action or a verb. So can you tell me what do you do in your daily life? Yes, reading, writing, playing, cooking, watering, singing, dancing, and many more things. So these action words are called as a verb. Actually, this verb is known as main verb. But today we are going to learn a new verb, that is a special verb, or you may call it helping verb. Here is a difference between main verb and helping verb. All the action words indicate main verb, but helping verb has no meaning of their own. They are used only for help the main verb. For example, she is going to school. Hari was washing his clothes. The boys were playing. She can sit here. In the above sentences, find out the action word, children. Yes, go, was, play, and sit. They are the main verb or action word. But these verbs are helped by the helping verbs. They are is, was, were, and can. Sometimes these helping verbs are also used as main verb. Let's take an example. She is a nice girl. They were at home. In these sentences, can you find out any action word? No, we can't find any of them. So that we can take this helping verb as a main verb. Okay? Now, come to the point, children. Why do I talk about this helping verb or special verb? Because today's topic is about negative and question form. And through these special verbs or helping verbs, we can make a sentence as negative, question, or negative question. Clear, children? Okay, so at first, we have to learn how many kinds of helping verbs or special verbs are there. Remember, there are 23 helping verbs. They are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, be, been, been. Here is a nice song to remember these helping verbs. Okay, so let's listen it.
Have had, do, dusted, shall, should, will, and would. There are 5 more helping verbs: may, might, must, can, could.
Now, let's have a look of short form of negative forms. This one is important. Is not. In short form, isn't. Like that. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Has not, hasn't. Have not, haven't. Had not, hadn't. Will not. This one is very, very important. So look at the letter properly. Will not. In short form, won't. W-O-N apostrophe T. Won't. Don't write WILLAN''T as like other one. Don't write it, okay? So will not, short form won't. Then would not, wouldn't. Shall not, this one is also important. Shall not, the letters are SHAN''T. Shall not, shan't. Will not, won't. Clear? Okay. Then should not, shouldn't. Cannot, can't. CAN''T. Cannot, can't. Then could not, couldn't. Do not, don't. Did not, didn't. Does not, doesn't. Now you may ask me, what is the short form of am not? Why don't I write it? Listen, actually there is no short form of am not. We can't say am and like other one. If you want to write the short form of am not, you may write ain't, AIN''T. But this one is not completely correct. Okay? The next. Now, the main point is, how can you make a sentence into negative question or negative question, which is our today's topic. Okay, so let's take some examples. As I told you, helping verbs are used for making a sentence into negative question or negative question. Meera is reading a storybook. Okay, this is an affirmative or positive sentence. Clear? Okay. Now we will make it negative form. Meera is, then use not. After the helping verb, you have to put not. Meera is not reading a storybook. So this one, a negative form. Okay. So Meera is not reading a storybook is the negative form. The next about question. Now just change the position of helping verb. Is Meera reading a storybook? Then put a question mark. Then it will be a question form. Clear? Okay. Then now the last one is negative question. In this case, always remember you have to write the short form of negative. Isn't Meera reading a storybook? Listen, again I am telling you. In positive sentence, Meera is reading a storybook. In negative, Meera is not reading a storybook. In question, is Meera reading a storybook? Then the last one, negative question, isn't Meera reading a storybook? Then put a question mark. Clear, children? Okay, so that's all for today. Practice the lesson, and if you have any doubt, then you may text me in the comment box. Clear? Okay, keep learning. Thank you.